You are very useful, and never look down on yourself because you have a lot to achieve. And let me tell you, those who are made it in life, they are not different from you. One thing that you need to value yourself, love yourself, treasure yourself, and value whatever you have for you to be able to live a meaningful life. Your life needs to impact people. You live for a purpose. Don't forget who you are and what you have. And remember, you need to deliver, because the world is watching you and waiting for what you have. And what you have is not small. With what you have, you'll be able to do great things. You need to live a meaningful life. And one thing that you need to do, search yourself, be able to serve, because the world is waiting for you. Hi, how are you? Thank you so much for choosing this channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Share and say something. My name is Syaviha Mulengya. Today we'll be talking about help yourself. How can you be able to live a meaningful life and move well and make the right decision and motivate yourself? You are very, very important. That's the reason why you need to look at what you do. What you do can affect many people, because you're very important. Never look down on yourself. What you need to do for you to help yourself, for you to live a meaningful life, for you to move well, one, you need to examine your life. Look at how you're living your life. Because you're very, very important and you want to achieve great things in life, you need to learn to look at your life. Examine your life. Correct what you're not doing right. Don't just live your life. Live a meaningful life. And you need to be able to look at yourself. Don't wait for people to correct you. You know yourself. You know your weakness. You know your strength. You know your weaknesses. So you need to be able to look at your life. How is my life? And then when you examine your life, try to check your life, then change what is not right. When you change, you'll be able to do the right thing. The second thing that you need to do to help yourself or to live a meaningful life, you need to educate yourself. Learn. You need to learn something that will help you to live, to move, to do the right things. Educate yourself. Have a desire to learn. When you learn, it will help you. Knowledge will help you to decide. Knowledge will help you discern. Knowledge will help you to develop. So you need knowledge. Educate yourself. There are many ways you can be able to learn. So you need to take your time. Don't waste your time. Use your time well to be able to learn. Educate yourself. The third thing that you need to do if you want to help yourself, learn to encourage yourself. Encourage yourself. Most of the time we wait for other people to motivate us, but you are the right person to motivate yourself, because you understand who you are and what you want and where you are going. You need to learn to motivate yourself. If you don't encourage yourself, people are there to discourage you. They will tell you all sorts of things, but you need to learn to encourage yourself. When you wake up, encourage yourself. What are you telling yourself? You need to tell yourself great things. You need to encourage yourself in life. When you encourage yourself, you'll be able to perform well. You'll be able to make it. Encourage you. When you see someone doing something great, good, encourage them. People are looking for encouragement. People need love, and they need to be accepted. So be an encourager. The people around you, encourage them. And there are people who always look at the bad things, but learn to say something good about someone. They will feel encouraged, and someone will always remember those people who encourage them. So you need to learn to encourage the people around you, or so encourage yourself. The fourth thing that will help you in life is end certain habits. There are certain things that you need to change, and you need to end. You need to end. Stop certain thing and start doing the right thing. The wrong thing, you know yourself. You need to be, there are things you need to stop doing. There are things you need to stop thinking about. You need to stop certain thing and start doing the right thing. And the fifth thing that you need to do, number 5, you need to eliminate doubt. Eliminate doubt in your life if you want to help yourself. To help yourself and live a meaningful life, you need to be able to end doubt and fear. Doubt and fear will block your success, but you need to end doubt. The sixth thing that you need to do is eat healthy. Learn to eat healthy and learn to exercise and enforce discipline. You need to be disciplined for you to be able to make it. And the ninth thing that you need to do, you need to enjoy each day. Treasure each day. Each day is precious. You need to learn to enjoy each day. Look at each day as a blessed day and special. Don't take each day for granted. Value it. And the 10th reason and how to help yourself, you need to learn to economize for the future. Look at the future. Prepare your future now if you want to help yourself. Examine your life. It's very key. Educate yourself. Encourage yourself. End certain behavior. Eliminate doubt. Eat healthy. Learn to exercise. Enforce discipline. Enjoy each day and economize for the future. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, and say something.